It's all so green and I'm out in the open without a mask. As soon as we decided to go out, there is a puncture, guys. Talk something. Whatever. Hey there, good morning. This is Chandni. Welcome to Let the Chand Shine and welcome back to a lot of you. So today finally I'm going to vlog. A little update for people who don't know. I'm a travel vlogger and I go to places and show you places. That's what I do. But due to the pandemic, I couldn't do that. So today I'm going to be taking you guys to one of the places near Bangalore. So I stay in Bangalore, and around Bangalore, in another like 100 kilometers radius, there are a lot of places to explore. So there's this place called Sangam, where the two rivers meet and stuff. So hopefully it goes well. It's about 81 kilometers if I'm not wrong. It's going to take about 2 to 3 hours, I think. We were supposed to leave at like 10, but yeah, that never happens with me. I'm always late. So it's 7:30 in the morning. It's a Sunday morning and it's the 30th of August, which means we're still in between the pandemic. I do not promote any kind of travel or tourism right now, but we humans are social animals and we really need to get out there, do the nature, explore it a little bit, no matter what. So we're taking all the precautions possible. I'll show you what all we do. Not going to interact with any humans, and we also have prepared food that we're taking. So yeah, I guess that covers it all. I'm not yet ready, so I gotta get ready, and I'll see you in a bit. So I'm ready now. I'm extremely late, so no time to talk. We will talk on the way and I'll explain everything to you all. So right now, let's go. Take some precautions. Wearing the mask, shield, everything. So see you guys in a bit. Finally, I'm in the car and we are headed to Sangam. We are finally going out of Bangalore, at least for a bit. I guess this is the start of travel and tourism. But anyway, not promoting any kind of travel and tourism right now because it's up to you. It's your own risk. You just got to take the right precautions and you can go. Breakfast on the go.
Baby left and I get to take you so baby left.
As soon as we decided to go out in the open, there is a puncture, guys. This is what happened. And we are in Mysore Road right now. I don't know if you can hear me, but we are in Mysore Road right now and a car is punctured. What a timing. Getting that fixed right now. So we are now exactly 17 kilometers from Sangam, and wow, I am without a mask. How cool is that? Now, being without a mask is like wow. So now even being without a mask is like a boon. It's all so green and I'm out in the open without a mask. That itself is an achievement. We are way away from Bangalore. 17 kilometers to Sangam. Let's do this. So our plan was to go to Sangam, but it is closed. It is closed for the next 1 month. So I think after September, October or something, it'll be open. Even the Chunchi Falls, which is like 10 kilometers away from here, that's also closed. So we're just going for a drive through the forest here and just enjoying the view. That's what we wanted anyway. So when we were getting in, they said the Sangam is closed, but look at the number of cars over here. There are so many people out here, it's not even funny. I'm going to show you in a while. There are a lot of monkeys also here, so it's kind of risky with my camera. But this is what is happening, guys. First ever travel vlog. So this is the situation. We are eating our lunch inside the car. Can't wait to get out. But because there are a lot of monkeys around, we're just eating it inside. Thanks, Mom, for such yummy lunch. Thanks, Mom. Mom. Mom is just... Thanks, Mom.
Mention not.
Hi! Hi! So I'm wearing a mask right now. This is how I look with the mask. So hi. There are a lot of people around who still want to maintain that social distancing and the precautions that we need to follow. So yeah, show you guys how it looks. There are a lot of people taking baths, doing lots of stuff. There actually used to be boating here. I've been to Sangam before. Right now there are no boats because it's actually closed. It'll open after a month, so if you all want to come here, then it's 81 to 85 kilometers from Bangalore, and you can definitely come here. It's amazing. Also, in other news, we had an amazing lunch. We didn't want to eat outside food, so my mom, thanks to her, she actually prepared food right in the morning and got us really amazing jeera rice and curry and kesari bath, lots of good food to eat. Right now we're all full, happy, just chilling, enjoying the view. So we have obviously my sister with me. Don't we look like twins? We do. Okay, so how are you feeling, Sanj? And to mention, her exams are going on right now. Online tests. How are you feeling coming out after a long time? Like after 7 months or something, right? How are you feeling?
4 months.
4 months. Yeah, how are you feeling now?
Fresh.
Fresh. Like, are you like excited to study? You got your maths textbook and all, right?
No,
Okay.
but I have to.
Yeah. Talk something. Whatever. So we stopped right in between nowhere to do like a small picnic kind of a thing. I'll show you the place that we chose. So we had an amazing time here. You can see we were picnicking there. It was a small cute picnic. It was much needed. We obviously want to do a lot of trips, like my family, all 4 of us, like my mom, dad and my sister. We love going for vacations. The last trip we went to was Phuket. If you haven't watched that vlog, I'll put the card here. You can go watch it. There are parts to the Phuket vlog. When it comes to traveling now, I think it's better if people opt for road trips. Going to different countries or cities altogether, it's better if we like stick to our local areas and travel somewhere, you know, close by. So like right now, there's a lot of social distancing happening. We just wanted to spend some time in the nature, and that's what we did. We watched a beautiful sunset also. That's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I loved it because it was such a big break from all the time at home. We'll have many more vlogs like this, many more travel vlogs to come. So please like this video if you really enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, it's really important, and hit that bell icon so that you do not miss any more videos from my channel. Until next time, bye bye.